Okay, so we got the elves, the tree, and the holly. But wait, Gabby, why is your dashboard lit up more than Clark Griswold's home?
Do we need more extension cords or a technician?
Honestly, I have no idea. Hey Gabby, look, a deer!
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Myles Auto Care and Transmissions channel. Last week we talked about how often you should have a vehicle health report performed. If you missed that one, make sure to check it out after this video. Today we're kicking off our December series, Decode the Glow, where we'll help you understand those dashboard lights that show up during the holidays. And this week we're starting with the big one, the check engine light.
We've all been there. You're driving along and suddenly that little orange light pops on. What does it actually mean?
That light is your car's way of saying something's off. The check engine light is part of your car's onboard diagnostic system. Basically your car's way of texting you, hey, something's wrong under the hood.
Okay, but what kind of things can cause it to come on?
There are a bunch of possibilities. Sometimes it can be things that are quite simple, such as a loose gas cap. It could also be a sensor issue, a misfire problem, potentially something wrong with your catalytic converter, or even a transmission failure. That's why coming to Myles Auto Care and getting your check engine light scanned for free lets us know which system on the car has a potential malfunction.
So how do I know if it's serious or if it can wait a bit?
The light itself can tell you a lot. If it's illuminated solid on the dashboard, you're usually okay to drive for a little bit. But you should schedule a code scan or diagnostic test as soon as possible. It's better to catch issues early. If your check engine light ever starts blinking, that's kind of a red flag. You want to pull the vehicle over and have it checked ASAP. If a check engine light starts blinking on your dashboard, it means your engine is having a severe misfire. A severe misfire can not only damage your engine if it gets bad enough, but also your catalytic converter, which is your main emissions component in your exhaust system.
I feel like my check engine light always comes on in the winter. Is that just bad luck, or is there a reason it comes on more often when it's cold?
That's not really bad luck. It's actually common in cold weather. Low temperatures can affect your fuel system, various sensors on the engine, or your evaporative system, which seals your fumes from your gas tank. Low temperatures can also cause parts to contract, creating small gaps where sealing surfaces are no longer sealed. This is often more common in the morning when it's extreme cold or freezing outside.
What's the first thing the driver should do when that pops on?
Start with the easy stuff. One of the first things you should do is check your gas cap to make sure it's tight, and then start driving the car. It could take 5 miles or maybe up to 50 miles for that light to turn off if your gas cap was loose. If your check engine light stays on, after trying to tighten the gas cap and driving for a little while, that's when you want to come see us at Myles. We'll perform a free check engine light scan, go over what the code is, what that means, and the next steps for proper testing to get the issue resolved.
That's awesome. So acting fast really does make a difference.
Absolutely. Catching a small issue soon can turn a potential $40 or $50 sensor replacement into a $4,000 catalytic converter repair.
So if your check engine light pops on this winter, don't panic. Just bring your car to Myles Auto Care and Transmissions. We'll scan it for free and help you decode the glow before it turns into a major repair. You can visit us at one of our 4 Berks County locations in Redding, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, and Wyomissing. And make sure to stay tuned for next week's video where we're talking about your car's tire pressure monitoring system, those low tire warnings that love to show up when the temperatures drop. We'll explain why cold weather makes tire pressure fall, what it really means, and how to stay safe on the road this winter. Because at Myles Auto Care and Transmissions, we don't just fix cars, we keep you confidently on the road. See you next week.